Shenzhen Lihao Machine Equipment Company Limited is a professional machinery manufacturing enterprise integrating design, production, sales, service, as well as trade. Our company mainly produces and provides high-quality all kinds of coil processing equipment, including slitter line, cut-to-length line, punch, mold, and automatic feeding system, such as uncoiler, straightener, servo feeder. Lihao Machine is the first enterprise in the industry to obtain the certificate of high-tech enterprise. We have a strong technical force, a research and development center, and gathered a number of experienced industry professionals. The company has passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification for standardized production and product quality system. Our products are widely used in home appliances, automobiles, hardware, electronics, and other industries. With excellent quality and reliability, enjoy a good reputation. Lihao Machine Company has a good market share in China and has marketing offices in several regions. At the same time, our products have been successfully exported to North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, as well as other regions. Based on the principle of technology, quality, customer reputation, we sincerely look forward to working with you to establish a good business relationship. We are committed to providing customers with quality products and satisfactory service, and constantly promote the development and progress of the industry.